Flash floods and heavy rains continue to hit northwest Pakistan, frustrating efforts to help millions of affected people. Further downpours are also forecast in the badly hit northwestern province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, formerly known as Northwest Frontier Province. According to regional authorities, more than 4.2 million people have been affected by the floods, while the figure for the whole country stands at 14 million. Out of more than 500,000 families affected in the province, about 1,500 of them have been provided with shelter in 385 relief camps in areas affected by the deluge. There are thousands staying in makeshift camps along roadsides and railway tracks, whose main source of support comes from passengers or local residents. Even in the government-run camps, many complain they have been without enough food and other commodities for over a week.
We have lost all our belongings in the floods. Our houses has been washed away. These 3 kettles are the only things we could save. The rain is continuing since last 3 days. We are sick and there is no medical help. Our lives have become miserable.
We are still busy in taking out our belongings from the debris of our houses. There is none to give us a helping hand. No government official has visited our camp. The only help we are getting is from our own local people.
Survivors at the government's camp are having a hard time, with many of them fighting to survive. As anger mounts over what people see as a slow official response to this tragedy, questions have been raised about President Zardari's visit to Europe as his country is fighting with this human disaster. And as Pakistani officials say they don't have the resources to reach everyone in need, tens of millions of dollars in aid have been pledged by many foreign countries and international agencies. Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani's appeal for international aid has been answered, with many countries offering assistance.
Till yesterday, we had received helicopters, some bridging equipment, filtration plants, and medicines and food supplies from USA. And now they are functional and operating in the area.
The floods brought on by seasonal monsoon rains began in the northwest but have now inundated a stretch of Pakistan about 1,000 kilometers long, mainly along the Indus River and its tributaries. Fresh downpours in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, which have affected rescue and relief operations, may lead to another wave of flash floods. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.